To access the live lectures for your course, log into Canvas, then choose the appropriate course that you're trying to access and click on the tile. Once you get into the Canvas program, look for the Confer Zoom link. Click the Confer Zoom link, and although your screen will look a little bit different from my screen, you will see events that have been set up for your lecture. Simply click on the blue Join Now button. The Join Now button will be available to access approximately 15 minutes before your course starts. I won't be in the room until probably 5 minutes before the course starts. So all you have to do is click on the Join button and you will automatically be placed in the class. That's all there is to it. See you in class. This is Professor Johnson signing out.